Now we can declare a variable called total and initialize it with 0 for let item of array. This array refers to name of our array. Now we will add each item to the totals. This is being lengthy and we know addition assignment operator replaces this. So we can use that one. We are going to log the total value in console. And save it and check the console. We are get the value of 10. This is what expected value. 2 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 10. But there is a better way to get the sum of all item. Yeah, we are going to use reduce function. What this method will do? It will reduce all the items in array to a single value. The single value can be objects, number, string or whatever it may be. Here we gonna use numbers. Reduce method has two arguments. First one array is name of our array and reduce function, and the first argument of our reduce function is callback function and second one is initialization value. So we are initialized with 0. The first argument has two parameters, one is accumulator and second one is current value. We know the arrow function replaces the verbage function. We are going to add the value here. Here accumulator same like total in for loop. We need to return the value. We need to save in a variable called total. Now if we save and check the console, we get the same 10. What happened inside this function is the first accumulator is initialized with what the value we given for initialization. So we give 0 and the current value is first item of our array, that is 2, and total is 2. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. And for our next callback function, our accumulator value will be 2 and our current value will be our next value in the array, that is second item, that is 3, and total is 5. For our third callback function, our accumulator value is 5 and current value is 5. Total could be 10. Now if we don't give the initialization value, then accumulator will be set to first value of array, that is 2. Here reduce function will be like accumulator value is 2, that is the first value in array, and current value will be 3, and total could be 5. For our next callback function, accumulator value will be 5, current value will be 5, and total will be 10. What happens here is we are eliminating the first callback function and we are jumping to the second one. To make the code stronger, now we need to remove the return function. Since it's a single line of code, we can remove the curly brace also. Then there is no need for semicolon. Now if you save it and check it in console, we have the same 10. This is how the reduce function works. Pretty easy, right?